Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. So the question's asking us about the slope grade of a hill. And so I think probably the hardest part of this problem, this particular word problem, is figuring out what's meant by the slope grade of a hill. So we're going to start by drawing a hill, and going to represent it with a right triangle here. Here's the hill. This is the bottom of the hill. And it rises 30 feet vertically over a horizontal distance of 75. So that's our diagram. Now, what a lot of students don't realize is that the slope of a line is the tangent of that line. So I just want to take a minute and talk about that. So let's suppose you have a line like this and you want to know what the slope of the line is. Well, you know that slope is just rise over run. And so you just pick 2 points on the line, x1, x2, x1, y1, x2, y2. And then you know that it's rise over run, and that's the slope of the line. So now I think you could see that the tangent, if we go back to SOHCAHTOA, this angle here, we'll call that x. The slope, the tangent of x is opposite over adjacent. So opposite is 30. The adjacent is 75. Sorry, that's a hard one to read. So let me fix that. And you can see that this is the same as rise over run. The rise is 30 and the run is 75. It's the same as slope. Tangent is the same as slope. So that's the insight that you have to have in order to understand what this question is trying to get you to do. So a lot of people don't connect slope with tangent because you learn SOHCAHTOA when you're in geometry, and you learn tangent. You'll see tangent in you'll learn SOHCAHTOA in geometry. You'll see tangent a little bit in geometry, but you don't really use it much until pre-calculus. And so sometimes because of the time elapsed between these two topics, students just don't make that connection. Okay, so now the next step here is to solve for x. So x is going to be the inverse tangent of 30 over 75. And we just put that into our calculator. And on my calculator, I'm getting 21.8 degrees. So that would be the slope grade of this hill. And that's all there is to it. But the real connection that has to be made is between the word slope or slope grade and the tangent function. They're one and the same thing. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. It's quick and easy. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.